Hi there, it's Ty with WTI, and I am holding excellent piece of equipment in my hands. This is Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. Works together with the Silicon series Macs. So if you have older Mac, then this is not your choice, but if you have anything that is newer, so this works well. You can turn it easily on and off from this button here, and you can charge it on a USB, so you don't need to change those batteries all the time. And also the Touch ID there is excellent for opening your computer. So you know how on your iPhone you have a Face ID, so with this one you have finger ID, and you can just come on your keyboard and open your computer, and there you have it open. Also, what is nice about this, that if you're working, for example, in a home office, so the keyboard itself is very quiet, so you can even work when others are maybe sleeping or are at the meetings, because this really doesn't make any high noises. It's actually very relaxing. And I love the design of it and also how lightweight it is. So it's an excellent choice for you who are looking for nice compatible keyboard for your Silicon series Mac computers. And that, of course, is just my point of view.